Hey big booby sisters, the summer is here and it is getting hot. You probably already know that you can get a lot of sweat and heat under the ladies in summer. And here are 20 things you can do about it.
Here comes the sunshine, the sky is blue and you're high. Here comes the fun time, our love is young and so high. Here comes the sunshine.
Today we're going to talk about my two favorite subjects, big boobs and skincare, and how we're going to take care of that delicate skin under the breasts when it gets really hot in summer. Idea number 1, check out Fresh Breasts. This is a deodorant made especially for your breasts. You apply it as a cream to the underside of your breasts, you rub it in, and it dries quickly. And it'll help keep you from chafing and also keep down any scents that might be there that you don't want. When it dries, it feels like a silky talc powder. Strategy number 2, the Tata towel. Now, if you don't know what this thing is, you gotta look it up. I know it sounds weird, but it's a pretty awesome product. This one's mine, and I'll show you some pictures of what it does. The Tata towel is made of terry cloth on one side and cotton on the other side. Both of them are super absorbent. I like to use my Tata towel right after I get out of the shower, especially in summer. So I go to the gym and when I come home, I'm always hot. Even after I take a shower, I keep on sweating. So that's a bummer. It's a perfect time to put on my Tata towel. And as I do my hair and makeup and get ready for the day, my breasts have time to dry and it feels really comfortable. I love it because it lifts my breasts all the way up above my body so they're not touching my stomach at all. And it also, any of the sweat underneath the boob will be picked up by the cotton. So it's a super comfortable feeling. Strategy number 3, you've got to get a bra that lifts you all the way up. You don't want your breasts sitting on your belly at all, especially when you're standing up. A lot of cheaper or ill-fitting bras leave your breasts kind of hanging down, or even inside the bra, the breast is touching the stomach. You don't want that at all. So you need to find a bra that fits you, and a bra that fits you should be holding your breasts all the way up, and so they're not touching your stomach at all. That brings me to strategy number 4, and that is posture. So just as you want your breasts lifted up off of your stomach, it is much easier to keep it that way if you have a good bra, but also if you are sitting up straight. If you're slumping down, your breasts are going to be hitting your stomach, and that will make you hotter. So whether you are standing or sitting, try to maintain good posture, and it will lift the breast up and keep you cool. Another great product just for your boobs is a bamboo and cotton bra liner. So what you do is you place it inside your bra just around the underwire, and it wicks up the moisture. It's held in place by the bra itself, and it makes the whole summer experience more comfortable. Idea number 6 is a sports bra. So not all sports bras are created equally. You want one, again, that lifts all the way up and ideally separates your two breasts from each other. Additionally, you want a good quality one that has moisture wicking fabric in it. I'm going to put one up on the screen that I know is a good bet. A lot of good reviews on this one. It's not super cheap, but it works really well, especially for large-breasted women. So here's another cool idea. Did you know that there are ice packs meant especially for use on your breasts? Now these babies are designed for nursing moms, so don't be shocked if you check them out, but that doesn't mean you can't use them. Pop them in the freezer and they'll be ready to go when you need a cool down. Cotton bra can really help too. Now most bras aren't made of 100% cotton, and that's because they need a little bit more stretch and a little bit more support, but I will put up a link to the kind of bra that I'm talking about, and it provides some support, not as good as a regular bra, but it will tend to help you air out, and that's really helpful if you are trying to keep cool. One of my personal favorite ideas are dresses made for sport. I wear these so much in the summer. So I have 2 dresses. This is a halter dress that's made by Patagonia, and it has a really comfortable, moisture-wicking fabric in it. I wear this one without a bra and even occasionally do so outside because I'm shameless like that. It does hold the ladies up. It's also good for wearing to bed. I love these. So here is the one by North Face. Love that. Another strategy I'm really fond of is to wear halter tops. Now this one I have personally owned and has been in my wardrobe for almost 20 years. It is made of a faux velvet and it has a little stretch to it. Also, this one I wear without a bra, and I find that braless thing in summer really makes things comfortable. If you own a pair of boobs, you probably already know all about Pantyliners, and they're meant to be very absorbent. So you can stuff these into your bra either by using the adhesive or not, and they will absorb some of that sweat under your boobs. Another way to keep cool is to pull the lining out of your bra. A lot of bras have padding inside of them, but you can pull it out. So if you pull this thing out of your bra, it removes a part that's made of synthetic material that will just keep sweat in. Another great idea that will cost you little to nothing is to make a concoction of cornstarch and baking soda. Now, it's 50-50 cornstarch and baking soda. The cornstarch will work as a soft talc to absorb moisture, and the baking soda takes care of any lingering scent. So mix those together 50-50 and use it as a powder under the breasts. I love baking soda, so useful. Mwah. If you don't already have cornstarch or baking soda, baby powder will work too. Along the same lines is this product with a funny name. It's called Lady Anti-Monkey Butt. And it's designed specifically for your thighs and your groin area to keep everything dry down there, but it works for under your breasts too. The active ingredient is cornstarch and also a few other things that are meant to keep things dry. Tip number 16, wear natural fibers for your clothing. Cotton, linen, silk, bamboo, and believe it or not, wool are great materials for summer. I know wool is kind of a surprise for some of you, but merino wool actually keeps you cool in summer. Merino wool is a thin material that's not itchy and it feels great in summer. Thank you, sheep. Another makeshift idea that works is to stuff your bras with silk if you happen to have it. Now, I have a bunch of silk scarves that I love and I wear them for a whole bunch of different things. But in summer, you can stuff that baby in the bottom of your bra and it will absorb the sweat. It's very comfortable. When you're done, just wash them in the sink. They'll be fine. So earlier we talked about the bra liner made of cotton and bamboo. But if you don't want to fork out the money to buy that, you can improvise with just an old t-shirt. So you can cut up that old t-shirt to whatever the width of your torso is, stuff it in your bra, and it will absorb the sweat for you. Another super useful item to have in summer is an unlined bra. Here I've got an unlined bra from Curvy Kate, and you can see that it's made of a super thin lace material. It does let the skin breathe somewhat. It is not a natural fiber, unfortunately, but most bras aren't. However, with all the little holes in it, it will allow air to come in and out. Now, last but certainly not least, you want to keep that under boob area clean as much as possible. So one quick and easy idea that probably won't cost you any extra money is to keep a set of baby wipes with you or face wipes that you use to clean your face. So just grab one of those babies and every couple hours, if you are getting sweaty, just wipe it down and it'll help prevent the buildup of bacteria in there. I really hope you found this video useful, and if you did, I hope that you subscribe. My two favorite topics are big boobs and skincare, and this video was a combo. Thanks so much for joining me, and stay cool.